You're the most expensive firefighter in your own company. You built a business to lead it, but you spend your days untangling operational knots and reacting to the urgent. And while you've been working in your business, your competitors have been working on theirs. And that gap, it's becoming a chasm. Hi there, I'm Mike Weston, and after too many years working in a corporate environment, I got bitten by the entrepreneurial bug. I've launched, I've grown, and I've sold businesses, and I've turned around and reimagined existing businesses. Over the past decade, I've used my experience to help SME leaders do the same thing, with a heavy emphasis on how they use data, how they use AI. And in this course, I want to show you how to architect your own AI strategy to make your business unshakable. Most AI advice will sell you the solution to the wrong problem: efficiency. But efficiency is a dangerous illusion. Bolting on new tools to a broken operational model just helps you fail faster. So this course is not about AI tools. It's a blueprint for installing a new operational nervous system into your business. We'll move through 3 layers of implementation. We'll start with immediate automation to prove the value and to reclaim your time. From there, we progress to augmentation, where we build systems that enhance your strategic thinking. And then we'll touch on transformation. We're going to build capabilities that are going to make your current model look obsolete before a competitor does it for you. Now, you're not just going to learn theory, you're going to architect a personal AI partner that evolves from a simple assistant into a genuine business intelligence system. So are you ready to stop firefighting and start building? Okay, let's begin.